respected chief guests, esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, representatives from government and institutions, and our dear artisans and weavers. It is indeed my proud privilege on behalf of the organizing committee to extend a most cordial and heartfelt welcome to all of you to the inauguration of the 𝗤𝗛𝗘𝗏 Bazaar, a celebration of craftsmanship of the artisans and weavers of the Northeast India.
Komisi Benta ban kentiu syusyu ya ka kamai kaji kayo ka kot hak jela ke jongi bat khamtam hak thain sora ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited kalawan ra asndon ya ka kandi 𝗟𝗛𝗏 Bazaar ka banne baro siteyau lenter ya ka bala pli hak sitarik unai wing aja opsan da ikong Santa Mary Shella MLA ibalong hakaju kapor i chairman ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited kata ha iko pak mausmai nong thamai sora ha ka jina lang sembut kongsan ba titas tabal khan MDC ka sora constituency bat managing director ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited kong di kharjana bat general manager ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited ba FM Lingdo secretary ka ilaka nong thamai mausmai ba bitlang soklat bat kit isi ka ilaka bat kiwe len lang hakani ka program kumta ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited ka khot ba ka we ki pai ba ka thai sora bakin wan syakani ka kandi 𝗟𝗏𝗏 Bazaar namar kani ka dai artat ka sien ka baningkong ban pelong ya ka bakum kani ka program ha ka ban yadi ya thiet ha ki thai sora ka balong ka jimentoy ka bakraw bat ha ka ju ka por kani ka yo kan nangla ban kring shu ya ki tores ki bawan ban jungo syakani ka than ka jongi.
Warm welcome address. We will now move on with the felicitation ceremony. I now request Srimati 𝗤𝗛𝗏𝗘𝗏, Managing Director 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited, to kindly felicitate our chief guest for today's program, Srimati Santa Mary Shella, MLA and Chairman of 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited.
Bat hasua ban pli ya kandi 𝗟𝗏𝗏 Bazaar la pelong shua ya ke jinglang ka balingkon. Bat hakani ka sngi la yo katu kan ni ki jingkren na ki nongkren ba fer ki ba la pensung thu bat pensyai halo ka jing temu jong ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited hak be dei ba ka khai ka pateng hakayo ka kot hak jela bat kum juru hak thai sora bat hak be dei ba ka jingkren na kaliang ka ilaka kilaong ba kilong ki bakloy penyetrai lang rengkat bat ka 𝗦𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited ban penyai ya ki kam syakmat khamtam hadu bakut jong ka ni ka jingye di thiet
Titos well ibelong i MDC jongi ba haju kapor ibde i guest of honor ba haju kapor i madam jongi ni i SMTD kharjana ibelong i managing director jong ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited bat kumjuru i kini ki staff bat baro ki officer ki bidala kani kapor bat khamtam le i ki member jong ka darbar ilaka mausmai nong thamai nakaliang jong ka darbar mausmai nong thamai hedin biglayo ka jingtip nakaliang jong ka 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 bing sepelong ya kani ka 𝗟𝗏𝗏 Bazaar ilasno sarong sipuni namar gila selek ya kani ka jaka kani ka balong mentakasngi ka ikopak hakani ka ilaka ka jungi tin nakaliang jong ka snong iladon ka trilang ka jungi man pelong ya kani ka program ko belong success. I have seen that all the representatives they are coming from different states of the Northeast, especially from Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya also. I am very thankful to you, the artisans and the weavers. We welcome you to this 𝗤𝗏𝗔𝗜 Bazaar. This, I think, first of all, I would like to extend.
Nakaliang sembut kongsan ba titas tarol khan MDC jong ka sora constituency ulapan pa budap nak jingkmen ka pakraw bin lang bat ke 𝗦𝗛𝗏𝗔𝗜 Limited khamtam ba kilaken mau ban khot kerpang ye ban yedan benta ha kani ka sngi bat ila pliang so baru ya ki sya kani ka jaka ka ba pau ba ka jela bat baro ngitip sipang ka sora bat ila ong syu
First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to the office of the 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗜 who has invited me to be present here today. It is the first time for me to be associated with your organization. At the outset also, I would like to welcome you to my area, to our constituency, especially to this place, which is a very popular place. Sora, I think each one of you know it. It's a very popular place. And we are lucky today also we witnessed the rainfall little bit, though it's not a season to be having rain. I also would like to encourage the artisans and weavers who will come from other states who are coming to our area. I hope that this exhibition will be beneficial for the locals and especially for the tourists. It has seen in the program that this is it will continue for 7 days. So I hope that in these days we will be encourage all the tourists, the locals to come and visit this bazaar. But Kermenru ba nakaliang kasinong kinay kajing 𝗟𝗏𝗡𝗚 kamtam bakinong song hangni kiba kinyawan ba di simenta sirham hakanika exhibition hakanika bazaar kaba kidan bunjat let's say ki tiar kiba shna da kakti handmade kiba long ki let's say kasin ka baningkong kubangiyo hakanika area ka jungi kumpani tinga ai kublai karpang ya i kongsan jungi bat kongju lu ya ki MD bat iki ba lengdo ki ki balajit ya kanika saka pan pelong ya kanika yo
Balayo ru kijingkren na ikong Santa Mary Shila ibalong kongsan na kanikas ni bat ibalong ru ajupor MLA bat Chairman jong 𝗬𝗏𝗡𝗧𝗔 Limited hakaba ila priang sobha ya kitu baro buladon benta hakani kakandi Shilpa Bazaar bat chushu ila
Kwa ban ai kublai yaki neki jong ka ilaka jong ka mouse mai nong tunai ke secretary ke sorder ki executive committee pat boro ki bedon benta namta ban yarap ya kane ka program jongi ban pelong kane ka kandi Shil Bazaar ka hadu news ni ka don kane ka bazaar ta kublai shibun ki jingwan jong pi sha kane ka program. Then I'd like to also thank our MD 𝗬𝗏𝗡𝗧𝗔 and 𝗏𝗛𝗏𝗃𝗏 FM Lingdo always being part of all since I've become the chairman of this corporation, has always been there, worked so hard to make all the exhibition or any kind of bazaar or any kind of exhibition that we have in our corporation, wherever, maybe could be in Shillong, could be here in East Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, all over Meghalaya. We thank you so much for your hard work and making this a successful one, and more to come in the future. I'd also like to thank our dignitaries, Kiparalok Bawan 𝗦𝗛𝗡𝗔𝗜𝗏, especially to our artisans and viewers. Thank you so much for being here. Your showcase of this, of the things that you're going to sell is is going to help our people a lot, because this is all over the Northeast that our people are coming to showcase their talent and their whatever they made. So I remember in Shillong when we had this program also, we could see so many kinds of tradition, the heritage, everything. It was such a, for us to learn, to know what is there in our area, in Northeast especially. I kublai kitbok, kini ki baro ki pelok jungi ba don stall hangne, ba kani ka stall jong pi kan don kata ka jingyo nong jong pi, hakani ka kam ban long hakini ki nyosi. I wish you all the very best, and I hope that God will bless you in every way. Thank you so much.
I now invite Shri FM Lingdo, General Manager, 𝗬𝗏𝗡𝗧𝗔 Limited, to propose the vote of thanks.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of the Office of the Meghalaya Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Srimati Santa Mary Shilla, MLA and Chairman, MHHDC, for gracing this occasion with her presence. We truly appreciate you for taking the time out of your busy schedule and to be with us today, for your continued support, guidance and encouragement. Our sincere thanks also goes to Sri 𝗤𝗛𝗘, MDC Sora constituency, for honoring us with his presence despite his busy commitments. We would like also to express a deep appreciation to the Office of the Development Commissioner Handicrafts, Ministry of Textile, for sponsoring this event, and in particular to Madam Rema Sonar, Assistant Director, DC Handicraft Shillong, for her invaluable help, guidance and cooperation in making this program possible.